Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by revealing hidden marks so you can see exactly where sections and page breaks live. That visibility prevents accidental edits. Once visible, create a next page section break where numbering should change. This isolates headers and footers. Make sure each section has its own header/footer by double-clicking the header and turning off link to previous. You do this so page numbers won't cascade from the prior section. Once sections are separated, edit the header or footer where the page number appears. Click Page Number, then Format Page Numbers, and choose Start at 1 if you want to restart, or Continue if not. You do this per section because Word applies numbering to the current section only. Make sure Link to Previous is off before changing, otherwise your change will apply to earlier sections too. Repeat these steps moving forward through the document, confirming each. You wrap up by updating all fields so Word recalculates the numbering. Press Ctrl plus a then F9 to refresh. If numbers still look off, inspect for unintended section breaks or a lingering link to previous in headers/footers. Remove or reinsert the correct section break to fix it. Finally, use Print Preview to confirm pagination, because what prints is what matters. If trouble persists, reapply numbering in a small test copy to.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.